Take your aerial photography to new heights with the Holy Stone HS790 drone. Equipped with a 6K camera and 3-axis gimbal, this drone delivers ultra-stable 4K footage and high-resolution photos. Captures smooth, professional quality 4K/30 FPS videos and 6K photos with the built-in 3-axis mechanical gimbal. Even in windy conditions or sudden movements, your aerial footage stays stable and cinematic. Enjoy real-time video transmission in ultra-clear 4K up to 9km/30,000 feet away with the advanced Holy Stone Wi-Fi Repeater tech. Experience smooth FPV with minimal lag, ideal for long-range flying and immersive drone exploration. The HS790 comes with 2 modular batteries offering up to 60 minutes total flight time. The included smart PD charging hub doubles as a power bank, supporting fast charging and easy on-the-go power management. Perfect for beginners, the HS790 features 1-key control, altitude hold, headless mode, and speed adjustment. Advanced flyers can unlock full manual controls and cinematic shooting modes, including AI quick shots for effortless cinematic shots. The Holy Stone HS790 also features a dedicated night mode, enhancing visibility during twilight or dark flights. Capture the beauty of nighttime landscapes with increased safety and style. Whether for birthdays, holidays, or graduation, the Holy Stone HS790 is an ideal gift for teens, adults, and hobbyists. With its 6K camera, GPS, and foldable convenience, it's a high-performance drone that delivers value and excitement. Get your Holy Stone HS790 drone today and experience the thrill of aerial photography. With its advanced features, long flight time, and stable footage, this drone is perfect for capturing stunning moments and creating unforgettable memories.